Alright guys, so hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Paige and today we're going to be going into this gorgeous handbag review. We're going to be reviewing further in depth my Gucci Dionysus shoulder bag in the size small from babalabag.co. Alright, so let me show you this gorgeous bag. Guys, I have worn her a few times and I'm actually going to move back into her, but here she is. Can we just take a moment to appreciate how stunning, how beautifully crafted this bag actually is? Yes, let's just get a gorgeous look at her. The detailing on this bag is phenomenal. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the review. Alright, so first things first, I absolutely love the bag. I could not tell that this was a replica. So craftsmanship, quality, hardware, materials, and actual duping, I guess, actual replicating. I think 10 out of 10. Absolutely 10 out of 10. I love the way the canvas feels and sounds. It's very strong. It's very durable. Definitely feels like Gucci coated canvas. So yeah, it's very well made. But I have worn this bag quite a few times and I am obsessed. Now, let's go over the pros. And I would say there's maybe one or two cons that I do find with the handbag. This bag is beautifully crafted. It is well made. It's beautifully structured. It's heavy, so it has a beautiful weight to it. Nothing that you can't carry or that you can't wear, but it has a really beautiful good weight to it, which was very surprising to me. The hardware and the detailing on the bag. Let me see if I can get you guys. Yeah, there we go. Guys, do you see the hardware and the detailing on the bag? Like the actual tiger head, very similar, if not almost completely the same detailing within the tigress head or lioness head, whatever head this is, or snake, whatever it is. It does feature that side clasp button here. Beautiful edge staining here. The suede is very beautifully made as well. Feels really nice, very high quality. Also edge staining throughout the whole entire bag. Suede on the bottom of the bag, beautifully done as well. Stitching, seamless, corners, flawless, gorgeous. Quality, craftsmanship, hardware. You'll push that button and open it up, so we'll do that. Inside of the bag, this one here does come with 3 compartments. So you have your front compartment, a middle pocket with a zip, and then you also have a front pocket. This front pocket is very nice, and it's in the front, also is lined with the canvas on the flap. It does not say anything on the front hardware piece. Guys, let me know if you own the original one, let me know, but I'm almost certain that this hardware, this piece says Gucci on it. It does have a little Gucci label right there in the back of the bag. Another pro to the bag is that for me, for my stature, I can drop the chain. If I wanted to drop the chain, I could, just like that, and I could wear her as a crossbody style. I can't see down low. So yeah, so it just looks like this. Gorgeous bag. Overall, most of the pros of this bag are the craftsmanship, the quality, the actual hardware, the suede, the interior lining, edge staining, all of it is beautifully executed. Like, I would say if I saw this bag on the streets again, I would not know that this was not the real deal or the real thing. And baby, when I carry this, I carry her like she's the real deal. People look at me like it's the real deal. Like, I do see them looking. No, I totally enjoy her and I can't wait to wear her. But for right now, I just have my wallet, my Coach wallet. See, okay, so one of the cons is I don't really like the way this button latches. Sometimes I have a hard time getting it to unlatch for me, and sometimes I have a hard time like latching it. So inside of the bag, I don't have much. I just have my wallet, my Coach slim wallet and signature card in oak and maple, and then I have my little Gucci beauty emergency kit. I just use this for like a little catch-all. So alcohol pads, bobby pins. I use it for little perfume samples or little hand creams. So I put those things in here because I don't want them all over my bag and getting all over the place. So I know where everything is, especially if it's tiny, and if it's mini, it's gonna be going in here. So, and this fits perfectly in the back. I have my keys, which is just this Louis Vuitton key pouch. Le Clé. Yeah, I think this is the Le Clé pouch. Tell me if I'm wrong. I don't carry a makeup bag. I might carry a lip gloss or a butter or cream or perfume or something, but I don't really carry much. And the only other con that I kind of noticed or wish was a little better is actually the chain. That's my only thing. The chain does feel good, but to me, I feel like it's a little hollow, if I will. The bag itself is where the craftsmanship actually comes in at. It's just an eye-catching, beautiful, stunning piece. Like, I am really happy and grateful that I have this bag. I'm actually really proud to carry her. So yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. You have a discount code listed down below, and I'll put it here on the screen for you guys as well. Check out the website, let me know what your thoughts are, and don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.